The orange hero is the highest quality hero in Dark War survival. However, obtaining it at a 5-star level without spending money can be challenging. Some players are curious whether a 5-star purple hero will outperform a 3-star orange hero. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will address this question through some tests. Hall of Honor. Once a hero reaches 5 stars, the honor level becomes available. This level is an additional tier that provides buffs benefiting the entire faction or all heroes. For example, Cecilia's honor level boosts the attack power of all heroes and shooters. The honor level consists of 250 tiers, each requiring 10 fragments to upgrade. The excess hero fragments can be used to enhance the honor level. We can strategically allocate the versatile purple hero fragments to ascend more purple heroes to 5-star and gain additional buffs from the honor level. Attributes. By removing all equipment, we can directly compare Evans and Cecilia. Both are strikers from the shooter faction. Evans has higher attack and defense stats than Cecilia, even when comparing a 3-star orange hero to a 5-star purple hero. However, Cecilia has a higher troop capacity, allowing her to carry more troops in the formation. This could increase the CP of the formation due to the higher number of troops. We will address this factor in a later chapter. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Skill. When comparing heroes with similar skill levels, the orange hero has double the percentage of attacks compared to the purple hero. For instance, at level 15, Francis, the orange hero, can deal 1,719% damage, while Eddie, the purple hero, can deal 859%. However, a 5-star purple hero can level up their skill to level 25, allowing them to reach a damage output close to the orange hero's level 15 skill. Unfortunately, maxing out the skill requires a lot of purple skill books, which can be challenging to obtain without spending money. If given the budget, we would invest in the orange hero instead of the purple hero. Therefore, we will not consider the purple hero's level 25 skill in this comparison. Analysis. Here are the results of 2 attacks comparing Evans and Cecilia. According to the hero comparison, Evans has 0.1 million more CP than Cecilia. Although Cecilia can carry more troops due to her higher troop capacity, their unit strengths are similar, and the impact of the additional troops may be minimal. In the attribute comparison, Evans has a higher buff than Cecilia, particularly in total troop attack and defense. But how do they measure up in terms of actual damage dealt? From the combat log, Evans inflicted 34,000 damage with his active skill, which is double that of Cecilia's damage, approximately 17,000. Additionally, Evans also outperforms Cecilia in normal attacks. However, Cecilia still has room for improvement, as her skills can be upgraded to level 25. We don't recommend spending money on Cecilia to get the max skill. Let's get it slowly for free. In conclusion, a 3-star orange hero outperforms a 5-star purple hero. If you have a different idea, you can test and analyze it using the report. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.